Hey, what it is, and I'm back here for another one. And I just want to just want to keep this one kind of short and simple, short and sweet. I want to share with you how I started my online business and the the program I started with was Infinity Processing System. How I got started in this program is I was looking for a way to start a business online to be able to spend more time at home. I was a full-time plant worker. I used to build, manufacture homes, and I never really seen enough time with my family. My day started at 5:30, and sometimes I got there at 6:30. I was a supervisor lead, so that caused me to go in early and leave after everyone else left. Um, and I enjoyed what I was doing, but I wasn't enjoying seeing my kids grow up. I wasn't enjoying not be able to make school plays. I wasn't enjoying not be able to be there for birthdays. Some days I would have to work Saturdays, full days, and I just wanted something that could free up time for me and my family, and I could be able to make a little extra income on the side to be able to do extra things with my family. And that's why I started to look into online businesses, and I found a online business with remote sales, and I tried doing that. It wasn't hard or anything like that, but I couldn't gain any clients because being new to sales, I did not have the backup to say that I've earned over 20K or over 100K in revenue for another company. So it was very hard, and then nobody knew who I was. Nobody was trusting me. So again, I needed to learn how to brand myself. And once I ran and I researched and I came upon Affinity Processing System, I started out with their $50 product level digital. It's a digital course through e-learning, and it taught me how to brand myself through social media and other platforms. So that way I know how to get clients, and even better, attract those clients to me. So that way I wasn't DMing people and uh, going through people's Facebook pages and trying to get those people to let me cold call their clients for them. So I like this system so much that I decided to upgrade to their $300 pro level, so that way I can be able to know how to market myself, not just on Facebook, but with TikTok, with Instagram, learn how to do YouTube, because these things are very important to anybody trying to start up a home-based business. And what it gave me was the know-how to brand myself, the know-how to gain know, like, and trust, the know-how to be able to set my business up on automation, so that way I can spend more time doing other things with my family other than spending time and sitting in front of the computer, which is awesome. And what I liked the most about it was that it gives you the reseller rights for a one-time fee to be able to resell the exact product. I'm a product of the product, and I like the system so much that I decided to resell it, so those out there who's new to the system, new to online marketing, will have a for sure way to be able to build a sustainable business online. What they also gave me was a branded web page, so that way I didn't have to go and build a web page and learn how to do coding and all this stuff that comes along with building a web page, which was an awesome thing for me, because when I started out in this, I was never tech savvy, and computers, I was never on a computer. I was always the one with a hammer in hand. So them being able to provide a done for you website was awesome. And then it gives you a direct way to get paid. So that means that you get paid 100% of the sales that you make directly to you, however you like to be paid. Cash App, Stripe, Venmo, PayPal. It's 100% commissions straight to you, and it has no monthly fees whatsoever. So once you pay, it's a one and done. You own this product for life. The only way you cannot make a income off of this product, off of the digital products behind and within this course, is if you stop selling them, or if you stop putting effort towards showing and recommending this product to anybody who wants to learn how to start an online business. Now, I do have my link in the description if this is something that you would like to take interest in, and I have my Facebook link also down in the bottom of the description, so that way you can contact me and get with me so we can make sure this is a perfect fit for you. I love meeting new people, so please do hit me up on the Facebook and let's talk, let's converse, see where you at, what your monthly goals are, and what you want to see out of an online business. It was just real quick. I'm going to take you to the branded website, the branded web page, which is, this is the branded web page, so that way you don't have to build a web page, and it has a picture of you, how to contact through social media. It's all totally branded out to you, so that way you can start gaining the know, like, and trust factor with anyone who joins you in this opportunity. How does it work? You'll join at one of the product levels, get access to your product. We'll show you exactly where and how to start posting pre-written ads on social media to drive tons of traffic to you, and start collecting those 100% daily commissions through your PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Stripe. It was real quick. This is for you if you're tired, struggling, feeling sick and confused. If you're a college dropout, I dropped out of high school, so I know if this is working for a high school dropout, it would definitely work for a college dropout. Looking for a way to make some extra cash and income. If you're tired of your job and you want to learn something new that can help you eventually leave that job. Now, these are the product levels. So you do have the $50 brand marketing product, which I started off at, which gave me a 7-day action plan, so that way I know what to do day to day. I'm not running around like with my head cut off like a chicken. The Facebook marketing strategy, the 30 Facebook groups, Craigslist marketing strategy. So I seen the power in the $50 level. I went on ahead and I did upgrade to the pro level, and with that I got 200 pre-written ads. You still get the same 7-day action plan, a 6-figure closing strip, not just a Facebook marketing strategy, but a Craigslist, YouTube, Instagram, and it shows you how to create that sales funnel, so that way it's running and working for you 24/7 while you're out spending time with family. So you'll pick a product level and join, and I do note if you start at the $300 level, it will allow you to earn all the way across the board. If you start at the 50, you'll make the 50, the 150, you'll make the 50 and the 150, if that makes sense. I'm trying not to keep this video too long. So what you want to do to get started with IPS, once you have joined the product level, you want to come over to your back office. You're going to watch this video. Here's the Adriana. She's the co-founder of the product. She's a 6-figure marketer. She's been at this for about 6-7 years, and she spilled every bit of her knowledge into every content in this inside of the back office. So what you want to do, you want to click here and join the Facebook coaching group, so you get extra coaching on the side throughout the week. She does show up and show other content strategies. You want to join the Facebook Proof Group because you want to be able to, again, go inside and chat with fellow members and see how they're doing and what they're doing to be able to have success with this business. And then most importantly, you want to write down your goals. Your goals are important. You want to write down where you want to be in the next 3 months, where type of income you want to be bringing in the next 3 months, and your why. Knowing your why is super important because it's going to help you get out of your comfort zone and actually refer others to this product and to this company, which I know is one of the best training one of the best training platforms out there to date. It's been out for about 2 years, still going strong, still training, and a lot of people are still having success with the training within this background. Now, if you're going to be on Facebook, it does come with Facebook Marketing Pro, Video Marketing Strategies on our Facebook group. YouTube, if you want to do YouTube, it shows you how to make 2 to 5 sales a day on automation with YouTube. And if you're not someone who's willing to get on camera like I am, it does have a email follow-up sequence and an email marketing strategy, so that way you don't have to show your face, but you can still be able to get paid through email marketing and learn email marketing, which is very high. It's a highly sought out skill. And that's my time. Again, my link is in the description. If you want to get started with me, pick your product level. I do highly recommend the pro level. And if you want to get started, again, through the last end of August and starting into September, I have an action ticket bonus. If you get started with me at the $300 level, I will send 100 clicks to your page, so that way you can hit the ground running. And that's my time with you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss out any other details or any other opportunities that can help you have a successful online business. So when you do hit the link in the bottom, it's going to bring you to this capture page. Fill out your name, email, and submit. It's going to take you over to the branded web page. Pick your product and get with me through Facebook. I'll be glad to help you out, and I'm here for your success. That's me in a nutshell. Corey Norris signing out.